In this video, we're going to talk about graphing inequalities. So graphing inequalities. So the idea is, say you have y greater than 1, and you want to graph this in the xy plane. So what you do first is you always first sketch the equality. So first, you sketch y equals 1. Always, no matter what, always first sketch the equality. And so you draw the y-axis, you draw the x-axis, so x, y, and y equals 1 is a horizontal line at 1. So this is 1. Now, it's a strict inequality, so it's going to be a dotted line or a dashed line, okay? If it's like greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, it's solid. So if it's one of these, it's solid. And if it's one of these, it's dotted. And then y is bigger than 1, so we shade above. If y is less than 1, then you shade below. Let's do another example. Y less than or equal to 2. So again, first we sketch the equality. So first we sketch y equals 2. And again, that's a horizontal line. Y equals 2 is a horizontal line at 2. This time, though, it allows for equality, so it's a solid line, right? Really important, solid line. And it's less than or equal to, so we shade below. Okay? Let's do another example. Say we have y greater than x squared. So first we sketch the equality. So first we sketch y equals x squared. So if you remember from before, y equals x squared is a parabola. Oh, and it's a dotted parabola, right? Because it's it has the greater than symbol. It doesn't allow for equality. And because it's greater than x squared, we shade above. Okay. If it was less than, we would shade below. Let's keep doing examples. How about y less than or equal to x squared? So again, we have the y-axis and the x-axis, and this time it's a solid parabola, right? Because it's not dotted. It doesn't have that. It has the equality, so it's solid, and it's less than, so we shade below. So it's down here. Okay, let's do another one. Let's keep going. Keep doing examples. What about x squared plus y squared less than or equal to 4? So first we sketch the equality, which is x squared plus y squared equals 4. If you recall, this is a circle centered at the origin, and the radius is the square root of 4, which is 2. So from the middle you would go up 2, left 2, down 2, right 2, put dots. And it would be a solid circle, right, because we allow for equality in the inequality. And because it's less than, we're going to shade inside the circle. Okay, so for circles, less than or equal to is inside. Okay, and greater than or equal to is outside. So let's do another example just to make the point. Let's change our circle examples so you see what I mean. Say we had x squared plus y squared bigger than 4. So you draw the y-axis, you draw the x-axis. This time it's a dotted circle, right, because it doesn't allow for equality. So we have a dotted circle, and it's greater than 4, so we shade outside the circle, right? We shade outside the circle, out here. Okay, so all of this is shaded. So just recap all of these really quickly. So the first one was y greater than 1. It's a horizontal line, y equals 1. You sketch that because it doesn't allow for equality, it's dotted, it's greater than, so you shade above. This one's solid, and it's less than, so you shade below. This one's dotted, it's a parabola, it's greater than, so you shade above. This one down here, this one here is solid, because it allows for equality, and it's less than, so we shade below. And then for circles, less than is inside, and then greater than is outside. I hope that made sense.